Okay, I'll be honest, I don't really have much of a plan for this video. We'll see how it goes. But I just got in the mail, my own money, a Victorinox Swiss Army Jetsetter. I know there's been a lot of talk lately about, Swiss Army knives without a knife. It's like, well, Swiss Army's kind of the model, Victorinox is the maker. And, it's not really... They won't really be Swiss Army knives without a knife. It's more like a Swiss Army tool. So it just happens to not have a knife. This is wrapped up pretty good. Come on, buddy. So this is the Jetsetter. Come on. Alright, there we go. Finally. Golly. Thing was, or is wrapped up tight. I don't know how they did that. Alright, there we go. So, nice little, ooh, camera's over here. Nice little leather pouch. Little keychain to put it on. Apparently this is TSA compliant, which is good because I do a lot of traveling. And here we are. It's the little Jetsetter. And we've got here our little toothpick, our little tweezers. We've got, come on this side. Oop. Got our little scissors. Trim that up a little bit. And on this side, got our little, see a little Phillips screwdriver there. There we go. Little Phillips, little can opener, or bottle opener, I guess I should say, not can opener. And I'm not quite sure what these tools are, but hey, nice little lightweight tool to put in your pocket. I don't see why it wouldn't be TSA compliant, but always check the rules and regulations because things are always changing. As of right now, as of this video, it's TSA compliant, but I'm sure they could one day say, hey, that counts as a blade on the scissor now, you can't have that. But as of this video, in the USA, it's TSA compliant. Again, always check for updated regulations and updated regulations in your country as well if you're not viewing this from the USA. Yeah, I'll probably take this with me. I wonder, do I have any bottles I could test this with? If not, I can get some. So as of this recording, this section of this recording of this video, I don't have any bottles to test the bottle opener on. But we can still test the screwdriver on an ulti-clip on this sheath. You need to support the backside because that's spinning. Alright, back again. Got a screwdriver to hold that still. And yeah, there we go. See, it's working its way up. So the screwdriver portion works, and now you'll probably see a jump in the video to where I'm opening a bottle and probably wearing something else. We'll see. Hey, boom! I'm back. Change of clothes, I think. You know what that means? I found a bottle. This bottle is an adult beverage. Please use responsibly. Gonna see this bottle opener work. Well, come on, buddy. Well, hey, there it goes. Takes a little bit. Might have to practice a few more times. It's going though. So, not the greatest bottle opener, but it'll do you. And then, if you wonder what this is, it's a magnetic lantern. These are pretty cool. Anyway, back to the rest of my video and giving my final thoughts on these.
All right, guess we can try the toothpick. Ow, it's kind of pokey.
I'm not sure if I have anything in my teeth, but it feels basic toothpicky. I mean, enough to get basic jobs done.
And now we got the tweezers. Let's see what it'll pick up. I mean, strong enough, I guess. And I don't know. I don't have any splinters, so. Ow! If I did, ow! Just pull out a hair.
So I guess the tweezers are tweezy enough. Is that a bug on me? Ow! Well, hey, you know what? I got it. Where's the? I don't know if that'll focus. See, I got him. Whatever that little fly was, huh? Got it with the tweezers, so they're fine enough to grab little stuff. So hey, we know that now. All right, so just want to say, here in at least XNA, Northwest Arkansas, Benville, Fayetteville, Rogers area, hey, made it through TSA, no issue, but your mileage may vary. I'm going to see, I'm flying to New York. When I fly back, I'm going to see if it gets through LaGuardia, and then, hey, didn't want to know. Alright, so here I am in LaGuardia, Terminal B, past TSA with this Jetsetter, so it'll clear, or at least it'll clear as of this video. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.